Just scan your day. पूरे दिन सुबह से लेके दोपहर तक, दोपहर से लेके शाम तक, शाम से लेके अब तक क्या भागदौड़ी में कहाँ कहाँ भाग रहे थे हम, क्या क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था। ये करना है, वो करना है, ये खत्म करना है, इसे मिलना है। And ask yourself, how was the quality of the day? Were you happy? Were you sad? Were you nervous? Were you irritated, frustrated, or were you peaceful? Were you mentally exhausted or physically exhausted? How was the state of mind? And now, you know that what is the kind of quality of your day. Just feel it in your body. How are you feeling it in your body right now? There were moments of peace. Feel it in your body. There were moments, maybe of sadness. Feel it in your body. Where do you feel it? How do you feel it? There were moments of tension, anxiety, pain, fear. These are just the labels. How did you experience that? Feel it in your body. How is your breath? Is it shallow? Is it deep? Is it nervous? Is it fast? Feel it in your body. Are you happy? Feel it in your body. जो भी हमने पूरे दिन में महसूस किया उसे हम अपने शरीर में महसूस करेंगे। पूरे दिन में उसको इंटेलेक्चुअली महसूस किया और हमारी इंटेलेक्चुअल अवेयरनेस थी पूरे दिन में। एंड नाउ उसको अपने शरीर के साथ अनुभव करेंगे, कीपिंग द इंटेलेक्चुअल माइंड असाइड। When we become one with our body, automatically the rhythm of our body gets balanced. The rhythm of our breath becomes balanced. Thank you, universe, for gifting all of us this beautiful meditation, the beautiful awareness, the beautiful centering of ourselves. Thank you for giving us the best of energies. Thank you, universe, for internet, for electricity, for technology, for all the devices. Thank you, internet, for all the knowledge, for all the books, for all the teachers, all the mentors, gurus. Thank you, universe, for all the wisdom. Thank you, our body, who is ready to receive it. Thank you, and I love you. Thank you, and I love you. Thank you, and I love you. And yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to receive some insights about my feelings around money, about my mindset about money. Money is everywhere. Money is energy. But what am I thinking about money? What is my relationship with money? And that matters the most. How is my relationship with money? And that matters the most. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, and I love you. Thank you, and I love you, and I love you, and I love you. So, slowly and steadily, let us come back in this moment, in this space, feeling our breath, listening to the music, becoming aware of the space in this moment, and please open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you, and thank you. Thank you so much. So, how are you all doing? I won't be able to know how are you all doing because your videos are off. So, I will be just talking to Jay and Aditi and the rest, and thank you, Anjana. So, I will be talking to Anjana, Jay, and Aditi, and the rest of them, I don't know who are all there. Okay, so मैं आप लोगों को पूछना चाहती हूँ कि अब तक हमारी पैसों के साथ के रिश्ता कैसा रहा? अब तक हमारा पैसों के साथ का रिश्ता कैसा रहा? एंड आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू जर्नल इट. पेन बुक ले लेंगे, पेन ले लेंगे और आपको लगेगा ये बुक रीडिंग क्लब है, लेकिन हम ये क्या करने जा रहे हैं? किताब तो हाथ में नहीं ले रहे हैं और हमें हाथ में पेन थमाई जा रही है. बट लेट अस बिफोर वी बिगिन एनीथिंग न्यू, फर्स्ट हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम कहाँ हैं अभी. एक नई जर्नी शुरू करने से पहले, जैसे मुझे पता है कि मैं मुंबई में हूँ, माटुंगा में हूँ, मैं मेरी बिल्डिंग में हूँ और मुझे अभी यहाँ से ABC स्पॉट पे जाना है, तो पहले वेयर एम आई? And I need to know that before even gaining any new knowledge. Let's begin. So, let's begin and let us write down how is my relationship with money. मुझे मेरे पैसों के बारे में मेरे क्या अभिप्राय है? हमें लिखना क्या है? How is my relationship with money? मतलब मैं कितना पैसों के साथ कंफर्टेबल हूं, पैसा मांगना हो तो कितने कंफर्टेबल हूं, मेरी फीस चार्ज करनी होगी कितने कंफर्टेबल हूं, किसी को पैसा देना होगा कितनी कंफर्टेबल हूं, पैसा रिसीव करने में कितनी कंफर्टेबल हूं, है ना? पैसा मुझे अपने आप पे स्पेंड करना है तो कितनी कंफर्टेबल हूँ, मेरे स्टाफ को पैसा देना है कितनी कंफर्टेबल हूँ, और मुझे अपने बारे में ये सारी चीजें जाननी है। सो हम सब यह लिखेंगे, व्हाट इज माई रिलेशनशिप विथ मनी। यहाँ पे कई लोगों का नाम है सैमसंग, फिर और एक सैमसंग है, दो सैमसंग है यहाँ पर। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी ये सैमसंग वाले जो है अपना नाम बताएंगे तो बढ़िया रहेगा। सैमसंग, एस एम एंड सैमसंग। सो आपका नाम क्या है वो बता देंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। आई विल रीनेम। There is one more Samsung SM. Please can you write down Samsung SM and Samsung? There are two people. Can you just share the name? Who is done with the list? Are you all done with the list? कि मेरे पैसों के लिए मेरा क्या रिश्ता है। My relation, thank you Lopa for sharing. Wow, my relationship with money is balanced and practical. I recognize its importance as a means to live comfortably and fulfill responsibilities. However, for me, relationships hold far greater value than money. I am comfortable and willing to pay my staff fairly and assist anyone in need, prioritizing human connections and the well-being of those around me over financial gain. Money is essential, but it's the relationship and the positive impact I have on others that true matters to me. So yes, Lopa, I can hear you, I can feel you, all your words, that for you, more than money, your relationship is more important, and you are very fair with money and giving money, sharing money, and you are very comfortable about it. Yeah. So thank you very much for sharing that. So how when we are spending this money for ourselves, for our leisure, how are we comfortable for that? If you have to spend it on yourself, maybe for your beauty treatment, maybe for your clothes or whatever requirement, necessity, how are you comfortable with that? एंड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ देम, क्या लग रहा है अंजना, आपको क्या लग रहा है, आपके पैसों के साथ क्या रिश्ता है? आपको अपने आप को अनम्यूट करना होगा अंजना।
हेलो। मेरा अच्छा रिश्ता है बहुत पैसे से, बहुत मस्त।
बहुत अच्छा मतलब क्या होता है, उसका मीनिंग कैसा होता है, कैसे आप बता सकते हो उसको?
मतलब मनी मनी को लेके मुझे कोई फस नहीं है, मतलब मेरी लाइफ बहुत इजी है मनी को लेके। मेरे को कभी कोई बहुत इजी गोइंग है।
हाँ, इजी गोइंग मतलब क्या हुआ?
इजी गोइंग मतलब कि मेरे को खर्चने में या मेरे को कोई इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं है, मुझे खर्चने में कोई आ, मतलब मेरे को कोई इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं है।
संकोच नहीं होता जब आपको अपने ऊपर
हाँ,
खर्च
मुझे
करना
लगता है
है?
कि पैसा जैसे मेरे पास नहीं भी होता तो मुझे लगता है आ जाएगा, और आ जाता है फिर।
ओके, सो
हाँ।
आपको पैसों पे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपके पास पैसा नहीं भी है तो पैसा आ जाएगा। नंबर वन। नंबर टू, आप अपने ऊपर भी खर्च करते हो तो आपको कोई संकोच नहीं है।
हम्म,
राइट। और आप जब दूसरों पे खर्च करते हो तभी आपको कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा लगता है, सो यू फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट। राइट।
हम्म,
सो
हम्म,
इमेजिन नाउ मनी इज योर फ्रेंड
हम्म,
एंड यू हैव टू टॉक टू मनी।
हम्म।
हाउ विल यू टॉक टू मनी?
मैं एक ही लाइन बोलूंगी कि इट इज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर मी।
You are always there for me. Wow. Yes, money, you are always there for me. And it sounds so beautiful. It sounds so good inside. How are you feeling right now when you are telling all of this?
वेरी हैप्पी।
Very happy? How did you
यस।
feel? How can you tell that you are very happy?
आई फील सेटिस्फाइड
What gives you that satisfaction?
दैट एवरीथिंग इज गुड एंड फाइन। बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है।
Okay, how did you know that you are happy and satisfied? How did you?
Because I'm not worried at all. No negative emotions.
Beautiful.
Mm,
Beautiful. Right now, you are thinking everything mentally, intellectually.
mm.
I want you to feel your emotions.
Sorry?
Everything right now you're talking from intellectual mind. That you
Okay.
are happy, you are satisfied, you are contented, all of it. Beautiful. How do you know about it?
How?
How do you know about
How do I know about it? I feel good in my body, in my mind.
it? Exactly. So I invite you that can you go in your body and can you go in your body and feel that happiness?
Yes.
Can you close your eyes for a moment? And when you are sharing that, आपको कोई संकोच नहीं है पैसा देने में, अपने आप पे पैसा खर्च करने में। आपको पूरा विश्वास है कि मनी अपने आप पास आ जाएगा। एंड आपको अगर मनी से बात करनी है तो यू आर टेलिंग दैट यू आर ऑलवेज देयर फॉर मी। सो दिस इज अ रिलेशनशिप यू आर हैविंग विद मनी। सो
Yes.
जैसे पैसा आपका दोस्त है और ये रिलेशनशिप है, क्या ये रिलेशनशिप को आप अपनी बॉडी में फील कर सकते हो? And I
Yes.
invite all of you. I invite all of you. I'm just talking to Anjana. Her video is on and she is receiving all that what she is supposed to receive. But I invite all of you that you all also do that. That what is your relationship? Even it can be tense, it can be nervous, it can be about fear, it can be anything. That please feel it. That what is there inside your body? How are you feeling about it? So, Anjana, where are you feeling that? What did you feel when you close your eyes and you were talking to body? What did you feel inside?
I feel strength in my spine.
Beautiful, lovely. What else?
I feel confident in myself.
Okay. All this, when we are feeling it inside our body, we are recreating it at a DNA level. Because ये जो सारे blueprints है, Anjana, thank you so much for.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am seeing you for the first time. I'm not aware. Maybe you may have attended my programs before. I'm not aware, or this is for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. But thank you so much for sharing and be open. Right. So basically, हमें बचपन से हमारे अंदर पैसों के लिए एक बहुत सारी ब्लूप्रिंट बनी हुई है। जैसे कि लोपा ने कहा कि मेरे लिए रिश्ते बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पैसा बाद में आता है, मेरे लिए रिश्ते बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन let us have complete focus on our relationship with money, बिकॉज पैसा भी इससे कहीं अलग नहीं है। हमने जो है बचपन से हमारे अंदर ये मेंटली हमें कहा गया है, कंपार्टमेंटलाइज किया गया है कि जहां पर मटेरियल वर्ल्ड है इज डिफरेंट, जहां पे पैसा है इज डिफरेंट, जो एक्चुअल लाइफ है इज डिफरेंट, स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड है which is different, and let us focus on spiritual world, that is most important, the rest of the world will be taken care of. तो यहाँ पर हम ये बात करेंगे कि everything is important to me, money is also equally important to me, and my relationships are also equally important to me. If you don't have money, how many of your relationships will be sustained? कितने लोग आपको पैसा देने के लिए तैयार होगा? कोई बात नहीं, तू आराम से खर्चा कर, मैं हम लोग हैं तुम्हें स्पॉन्सर करने वाले। आपके पास जो भी रिश्ते हैं उसमें से आधे से ज्यादा रिश्ते डिलीट हो जाएंगे। आपके पास पैसा नहीं और आप लोगों से बगैर पैसा मांगेंगे तो सो बेसिकली यहाँ पर व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू फोकस दैट हमारा रिश्ता, जैसे हमारा अपना रिश्ता अपने आप के साथ भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, वैसे ही हमारा रिश्ता हमारे शरीर के साथ, हमारा रिश्ता हमारे पैसों के साथ कैसा है। बिकॉज राइट फ्रॉम द वूम्ब ऑफ द मदर मनी एनर्जी तो आ ही गई है हमारे पास, नहीं तो मम्मी की डिलीवरी कहाँ से होती, डॉक्टर्स के बिल्स कहाँ से भरते हैं, हॉस्पिटल के बिल्स कहाँ से भरते हैं, आपके डायपर्स कहाँ से आते हैं, आपका एजुकेशन कहाँ से आता। तो राइट फ्रॉम द मोमेंट यू एंटर्ड इन योर मदर्स वूम, मनी एनर्जी आप शुरू से ही लेके आए हो और उसी के साथ आप जुड़े हुए हो। मनी एनर्जी सेपरेट नहीं है, बट वी मेक इट कंपार्टमेंटलाइज, हम उसे अलग कर रहे हैं। So basically, we all need money. We all need money. And let us respect that money energy. Let us respect that money energy that I respect a lot. जैसे मैं अपने शरीर को मेरा दोस्त मानती हूँ, वैसे ही मैं अपने पैसों को भी मेरा दोस्त मानती हूँ। And I respect money. And जैसे अंजना ने कहा कि मुझे मेरा पैसों के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रस्ट वाला रिश्ता है, बहुत ही बढ़िया है, और बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनका पास पैसों के लिए ट्रस्ट का रिश्ता होता है, बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं। सो अंजना, यू आर द ब्लेसेड वन, दैट आपको पास ऐसा रिश्ता है कि आपको उतना आपका इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है कि मुझे पता है कि जब भी मुझे जरूरत पड़ेगी पैसा तो आ ही जाता है मेरे पास। And I have that strong trust. So thank you very much. Now I would like to ask the rest of the group, what are your fears about money? What are your fears around money? And please can you share it? देखो आप लोग कोई वीडियो ऑन नहीं कर रहे हो, जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रहा है। और अभी आप एटलीस्ट चैट बॉक्स में तो लिख सकते हैं कि what are your fears around money? Fear of lack. Thank you, Shweta. So how to pay taxes, your fear, Aditi. What is your fear? Write down about the fear. Need more money. So what is your fear? Write down about your fear. Fear of not able to earn money. Okay. Siddhika, poverty. Poverty, what is your fear? Fear is your poverty. What is it? Please write it properly, that I have my fears around money is. And write down that whatever you have, one fear or a multiple, write down. Uncomfortable in asking money that I have given to people. ओके आपने लोगों को पैसा दिया है लेकिन वापस मांगने के लिए आपको संकोच हो रहा है. What are your fears around money? This is your relationship with money you are sharing about. Good, because that was my first question, that what is your relationship with money? And you are saying that need more money. मतलब आपको short need कब लगती है more money? मतलब when whatever I have, I am feeling that I am not having enough. और मुझे समाधान नहीं है, तब मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम शॉर्ट ऑफ मनी एंड आई नीड मोर मनी. सो मेरे पैसों के साथ मेरे रिश्ता में क्या है, लैक है, कि आई एम फीलिंग लैक, एंड दैट इज व्हाट माय रिलेशनशिप विथ मनी. फियर ऑफ नॉट एबल टू अर्न मनी, मतलब मैं पैसा कमा नहीं पाऊंगी और ये मेरा रिश्ता है कि मुझे डर लग रहा है. पॉवर्टी में बी Siddhika, if you can share more about it, it will be great. Every time thinking whether it's worth spending or not. क्यों आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको पैसा स्पेंड करना चाहिए कि नहीं? What is the fear about it? So आपका रिश्ता वो है कि आपको पैसा खर्च करने में संकोच हो रहा है, या आप वो पैसा खर्च करने के लायक भी हो या नहीं हो. आपके अपनी वर्दीनेस पे आपको डाउट्स आ रहे हैं. What is your fears about money? ये आपका रिश्ता है पैसों के साथ. Every time uncomfortable in asking money, fear that I will not be able to handle money. Okay, तो ये मेरा डर है मेरे अंदर कि मैं पैसा आएगा भी तो मैं संभालूंगी कैसे? मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. टैक्स कैसे भरूंगी, संभालूंगी कैसे? बहुत ज्यादा टैक्स भरना आ गया तो. और यह मेरा फियर है अराउंड मनी, ऐसे अदिति कह रही है. पॉवर्टी, लाइक इफ इट इज टेकन अवे यू विल फील पावरलेस. यस, सो फियर वो है कि मेरे पैसे मुझसे इधर छीन लिए जाएंगे या चोरी हो जाएंगे, मुझसे गायब हो जाएंगे और मैं पावरलेस फील करूंगी. दैट मीन्स दैट मनी इज मेकिंग मी पावरफुल, एंड जब भी पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है आई विल फील पावरलेस. सुषमा वर्मा सेज नो फियर. ब्यूटीफुल. जिसने लिया है वो ईश्वर दिलवा रहा है और आई एम नथिंग. गॉड ब्लेस मी ऑलवेज टू हेल्प एवरीवन. ओके, थैंक यू सुषमा, that you have a big heart, great heart, and you want to give it to everyone generously, and even if you have given it to people, you believe that आपके पास पैसा आ ही जाएगा इनफ. सो अंजलि टू एवरीवन, विदाउट मनी आई हैव नो सेफ्टी. सो अंजलि फील कर रही है कि पैसा नहीं है तो सेफ्टी नहीं है. सो एवरीवेयर वी हैव क्रिएटेड the list of judgments and our definitions around money, our relationship around money. तो यहाँ पे देखो, ये ज्यादा करके ज्यादा जो स्टेटमेंट्स है इसमें क्या आ रहा है? फियर, लैक, पॉवर्टी कॉन्शियसनेस, यही आ रहा है. Isn't it? Most of the thing, not all of them, but most of them are talking about that. So मेरा पैसों के साथ का रिश्ता डर से है सबसे ज्यादा. See, money is an emotional quadrant. जब मैंने अगर आप लोग सबने मेरा सेशन अटेंड किया होगा अगर शनिवार का, कि जहां पर हमने पैसों के बारे में बात की थी और हमने कहा था कि इंटेलिजेंट क्वाड्रेंट है, हमको लग रहा है कि सिर्फ डिग्रीज, डबल डिग्रीज, ग्रेजुएशन ये सब करने से हमें पैसा आ जाएगा और वो हम इंटेलिजेंस पे ही हम फोकस करते हैं. और दूसरा रास्ता है इमोशनल क्वाड्रेंट का, कि जिसका इमोशनली जो स्ट्रॉन्ग रिश्ता है पैसों के साथ और जो पैसों के लिए एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहा है, पैसों के साथ उनका रिश्ता एकदम अलग ही तौर पे है. वो जो इमोशनली बहुत एम्पावर्ड है, वो इमोशनली बैलेंस एंड ग्राउंडेड है, उनके पास पैसा आराम से आना ही है. और उसके ऊपर हमने मारो अप बुक, एरिगेटो मारो अप बुक पढ़ी थी और वो बुक की कहानियों में से हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा था. तो मैं अभी आज वो जोन में नहीं जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी सैटरडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट अबाउट इट. सो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि हाउ इज माई इमोशनल क्वाड्रेंट इज अफेक्टिंग माई मनी रियलिटी. कई बार मेरे पास बहुत धन हो सकता है, मैं करोड़पति भी हो सकती हूँ, मैं अबजोपति भी हो सकती हूँ, और उसके बावजूद मैं डर में रह सकती हूँ कि ये मेरा कभी भी पैसा निकल सकता है मेरे हाथों से। क्या होगा अगर मेरा हस्बैंड का बिजनेस फ्लॉप हो गया, या किसी ने उसको धोखा दिया, क्या हो गया अगर मैं जॉबलेस हो गई तो, एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, एंड वी हैव many insecurities around money. Even we have a lot of bank balance or properties and all. So जरूरी नहीं है कि आप अगर धनवान हो तो आपको पैसों के लिए फियर नहीं है। पैसों के लिए फियर्स किसी को भी हो सकता है, गरीब को भी हो सकता है और धनवान को भी हो सकता है। सो व्हाट इज माय रिलेशनशिप विथ मनी, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू attract money in my life. If I have already have, then that is going to sustain my relationship with money. मैंने बहुत लोगों को सुना है, मेरे पास जब क्लाइंट्स आते हैं बहुत लोगों को सुना है कि पैसा आया, बहुत आया, और फिर ऐसा डाउनफॉल आया कि हम लोग जीरो लेवल पे आ गए। फिर वापस पैसा आया बहुत आया और हम लोग एकदम पीक पे पहुंचे, और वापस डाउनफॉल आया और हम लोग जीरो लेवल पे पहुंच गए। और ये सब होता क्यों है ऐसा? सो व्हाट इज माय रिलेशनशिप विथ माय मनी, व्हाट इज माय रिलेशनशिप विथ माई सेल्फ मैटर्स अ लॉट। और हम, यह जो किताब है हैप्पी मनी, यह हैप्पी मनी में, व्हाई हैप्पी मनी, why not happy me when I receive money? Why happy money? So why happy money? Because we have a relationship with money. और अगर हम पैसा कमा भी रहे हैं लेकिन हमारे अंदर समाधान नहीं है, संतुष्टि नहीं है, लैक फीलिंग है, then that money is not going to give us any happiness. Even if you will have big bank balance or many properties, you are not going to be happy. जैसे लोपा ने शुरुआत में लिखा था कि happiness is a state of mind and our happiness does not depend on money. Of course, happiness is a state of mind. Our money does not depend on money. एक कहानी है, मुझे याद है कि भगवान ने किसी एक बंदे को बोला, एक बंदे ने भगवान से मांगा, भगवान मुझे चाहिए, बहुत ही अच्छी एक गाड़ी चाहिए, किया समझ लो, आ जाइए मार्केट में, आजकल किया बहुत भागती है, किया चाहिए, और भगवान मुझे चाहिए, दिल से वो प्रार्थना करता रहा, दिल से मंदिर जाता रहा और उससे प्रार्थना की, और भगवान ने बोला कि चलो फुल दे दो उसको, किया, एंड उसको मिल गई किया, और वो खुश हो गया, बहुत खुश हो गया, वाह, नाचने लगा, मुझे किया मिल गई। दूसरे दिन उसको पता चला कि उसके दोस्त को तो मर्सिडीज मिली। अभी किया का कितना रहेगा जोश और होश और खुशी। Immediately your happiness drops down to 50% to 30%। ठीक है मुझे मिली, लेकिन भगवान ने उसको तो मर्सिडीज दी और मैं तो पीछे रह गया। So if material world, meaning our property, our flats, our money is going to give us happiness, then we will be always happy. But no, we are not talking about that कि money is giving you happiness. We are not talking about that. How are you feeling? You know, लुइस ने बहुत ही अच्छे से कहा है कि your prosperity, एक मिनट, let me just recollect the sentence what she has said. Your prosperity flow does not depend on the flow of your money, but the flow of your money depends on your prosperity consciousness. So what does that mean? Your prosperity consciousness does not depend on the flow of money, but the flow of money depends on prosperity consciousness. What does that mean? It means that आप दिल से, अंदर से, आपके अंदर क्या इमोशंस है, जो भी आपके पास है उसके लिए आपके पास दिल में क्या इमोशंस है, और यह इमोशंस ही आपकी खजाना है। बिकॉज It is your joy, your vibrations, your happiness, your inner peace, your enthusiasm that is going to bring money. Your fun element is going to bring money. But if you are not happy and you are seeking that ये हो जाएगा उसके बाद खुशी, वो हो जाएगा उसके बाद खुशी, ये प्रमोशन मिल जाएगा उसके बाद खुशी, लाइफ ऐसे ही बीत जाएगी और हमें खुशी कभी नहीं होगी. So what we are talking is, how is my relationship with my money? Again, we are coming back to the same point. How many of you are agreeing with this? Please show me your thumbs up. What I am talking for last 15 minutes. How many of you are showing, you are feeling that yes, what you are sharing, it makes sense to me? There are two Anjali, one Anjali and one Anjali Shah. So how many of you, I can see few thumbs up, and yeah, Malini and Shweta and just a minute, Vinit Mishra, thank you. So जितना ज्यादा हमें fears रहेंगे और fear frequencies में रहेंगे, now we all are expert in actually law of attraction. सबको पता है एकदम, सब लोग हम मिनिस्टर्स बन चुके हैं law of attractions के. सबने सब कुछ YouTube का, thanks to YouTube and all the knowledge, Insta and Reels and all of it, which makes us very much wise enough, and we know that law of attraction किस पे काम करता है. बस विजन रखो और वो पोस्टर्स लगाओ और उसके ऊपर सोचते रहो प्रेजेंट टेंस में, वो तुम्हारे पास आ गया है, हो गया है, and you will receive it. That's beautiful. But the most important factor is our feelings. How are you feeling from within? And it's not the intellectual feeling. I am not aware जो हमने अंजना के साथ exercise किया, and all of you were there or not, because many people joined late, and in the beginning we did one exercise with Anjana that we are thinking and telling that I am happy. We are thinking and telling that I am satisfied. We are thinking and telling that we are contented. And if I have to keep my all intellectual aside, how do you know that you are happy? How do you know that you are contented? How do you know that you have enough and you have the feeling of fulfillments? How do you know that? That means that we are reprogramming our body. Each and every cells, we have trillions of cells, and we are reprogramming our body with this, reliving these feelings in the body. In the body, we are connecting with those feelings. Even if there are fears, we are connecting with those fear feelings. Even if there are fulfillment feelings, we are connecting with those feelings inside the body. And then from that point of reference, we are recreating something new. So if there are fears, we are feeling our fears inside our body. If there are insecurity, we are feeling those insecurity inside our body. And then when you face it, you feel it, and then you release it and you heal it. But अब तक हमने ये फेस ही नहीं किया. सोचो कितने लोगों ने आज तक ये लिस्ट बनाया कि मैं पैसों से मुझे कितना डर लग रहा है. कितने लोगों ने पहले पास्ट में ये लिस्ट बनाया था? कितने, अच्छा मुझे वो बताओ, कितने लोगों ने ये लिस्ट पहली बार बनाया कि जहां पर आपने वो बनाया कि मुझे पैसों से क्या क्या डर लग रहा है? सबने बनाया है पहले, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. सबने लिखा है पहले, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. ब्यूटीफुल. कितने लोगों ने पहले बनाया है आगे? Fears around money. We all have fears around money. और यहाँ पे बहुत चलता रहता है, ये फैक्ट्री में बहुत चलता रहता है. But we are not actualizing it, feeling it and healing it. और जब तक इसको हील नहीं कर रहे, इट इज गोइंग टू कम इन द रिपीट मोड. Thank you, Lopa, for being genuine that I'm doing this for the first time and have never done this exercise. And imagine we are going to do such exercises throughout this book, because there will be many exercises which will open your eyes. And so it is not just a book study, but we are going to internalize. जैसे सबके लिए वो जवाब अलग होगा, अंजना के लिए वो जवाब completely different था, or even Sushma Verma has a complete different answer for that question. So सबके लिए वो जवाब सेम नहीं है, सबके लिए वो जवाब अलग है. And that is where we will be checking this instrument called Shreya, this instrument called Aditi or Anjana or Cecilia or Babita or Malini or Aarti Tharwani. So we are checking with this instrument what is this instrument is feeling about, and what is the opinions and judgments this instrument has it. So how many are you feeling exciting about it? Just show me your thumbs up. Thank you, Varsha. Thank you, Kosha, Aditi, Anjali. Thank you, Malini. Thank you, Anjali, Dusri Anjali. Thank you. Thank you, Nafiza. Yes, thank you. Aarti. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you so much. So, are you all ready for the journey? This is just a trailer. That these are the sessions are going to be like this, where we will be going inward and we will be working on our body, on our money consciousness. So thank you all of you for showing up, showing your thumbs up, showing your enthusiasm and curiosity. And now let us see what Ken Honda has to share. So maybe you people may not be having the book, you may not have buy the book. One of the rule of our book study club is, agar if you are taking participation in the book study on a regular basis and you are going to pay for this book study club, today is a free session, but now onwards if you wish to continue this journey, then you will be buying the book, because that is first of all. अच्छा, कितने लोगों को लगता है कि ये बुक खरीदनी जरूरी है और क्यों खरीदनी चाहिए? चलो वहां पे भी हम अपने कॉन्शियसनेस को चेक करेंगे. क्यों लगता है कि हमें ये बुक खरीदनी चाहिए? आई वॉन्ट टू हियर फ्रॉम ऑल अननोन पीपल. जो नोन फेसेस है, जो ऑलरेडी मेरा बुक स्टडी क्लब चालू, जो पहले पास्ट में थे, मैं उनको ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. दे आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. पीपल हु आर नॉट joining me book study club for the first time, my question to all of you that क्यों लगता है आपको कि आपने ये किताब खरीदनी चाहिए? To refer to it while you are reading it. Beautiful. Thank you, Lopa. Please, chalo, come on, be more interactive. आप लोग interactive रहेंगे, it adds my energy levels. So please, I want आपका आंसर right और wrong होना ये नहीं है. I want you to think about it and write it down. एक बहुत ही सुंदर मैंने पढ़ा था, किसी ने तो कहा था, आप लोग लिखो तब तक मैं पढ़ के आपको सुनाती हूँ. ओके, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, इसीलिए मैं अभी आपको सुनाऊंगी ढूंढ के. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं ढूंढूंगी उसको, बट याद आ जाएगा. Okay. Where are you?
सीधा निकल चलो भैया, सीधा निकल. उसका पैसा है, 15 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा वो वाउचर.
अब तक आप लोग तब तक लिखो. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स कि क्यों हमें बुक खरीदनी चाहिए. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स. तब तक मैं कुछ ढूंढ रही हूँ जो मैंने पढ़ा था. मिल गया. चलो पहले मैं आप लोगों के आंसर पढ़ती हूँ, फिर आपको बताती हूँ. Lopa Vyas said to refer to it while you are reading it, so that's why we read a book. Thank you so much. Anjali says that self-study creates self-realization more, and if it couldn't spend money in book, then again it fear or obsession. Beautiful. To know about money frequency, we have to buy the book. Beautiful. Mishi Mehta says that to repeat the question. Please repeat the question. Okay, repeat the question is हमें बुक क्यों खरीदनी चाहिए, वो मेरा क्वेश्चन है. So to reflect on it after the discussion that we have with you is so beautiful. It's like a guideline. Thank you, Shweta. Nikita says that whole essence of book study club is to have the book and internalize the content, make notes and apply it in our life. Yes, Nikita, so true. You are a very studious student. Thank you so much. God bless you. MB says that, MB, please write down your name. MB. MBA लिख दो अच्छा उससे, MBA. The author has spent time and energy to share these concepts for our benefit, and it is payback time for us, and we have everything to gain and nothing much to lose. Thank you so much, MBA. So you must have to write MBA. Yes, you are so right. I am curious, what are the ideas of the author? Thank you, Anjana. Malini says that Malini to remove the fear of money, and I mainly regret at times after spending. So this way I would know if I'm making right decision. I hardly read books. This habit will put me into reading books. Thank you, Malini, so much. Book will help me to mark important points. Thank you, Anjana. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much. So many answers. I'm so happy. चलो भले आप पर्दे के पीछे हो, लेकिन आप हो, जिंदा हो और मेरे साथ हो, वो मुझे पता चल रहा है. Thank you so much. So basically, you know, as MB says that हम ऑथर की एनर्जीज को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं. द बिगेस्ट, सी फायदा तो है ही कि आप जब बुक आपके पास है तो आप, लेकिन आप जेरोक्स भी करवा सकते हैं. आपके दोस्त के साथ है ना, चलो 50-50 कर लेते हैं, मैं जेरोक्स कर लेती हूँ, तुम ओरिजिनल रख देना, हम 50-50 कर लेते हैं. दैट्स हाउ वी विल हैव book prints with us. When we are buying the book, the most important is we are respecting the energies of the author. ये जो ऑथर ने है, सी अगेन, मैं उस दिन सैटरडे भी मैं बोलती हूँ, मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ वैसे, लेकिन आपको सुनना पड़ेगा, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. और वैसे मैं क्लास में ही बोलती हूँ, वैसे पर्सनल लाइफ में मैं बहुत कम बोलती हूँ, लेकिन मैं क्लास में बहुत ज्यादा बोलती हूँ. सो बेसिकली मैं कहाँ पे थी, मेरा क्या पॉइंट था, मैं क्या कहना चाह रही थी?
We are respecting the energies.
We are respecting the energies of the author. Thank you so much. So basically, life is all about experiences. Life is all about moment to moment experience. See, right now you are sitting with me and you are experiencing certain energies. किसी लोगों को लगेगा कि ये क्या मुंहफट है, किसी को लगेगा कि अरे वाह क्या बोल रही है, किसी को लगेगा कि वाव इसकी क्या एनर्जीज है, किसी को लगेगा कि वाव क्या एरोगेंस है, किसी को लगेगा कुछ और है. बट एवरीबडी इज एक्सपीरियंसिंग समथिंग इन दिस मोमेंट. और आप मुझे आज ये सेशन के बाद, भले आप ये क्लास ज्वाइन करोगे, बहुत ही बढ़िया, थैंक्स टू यू एंड थैंक्स टू मी. अगर आप ये क्लास ज्वाइन भी नहीं करोगे और यहाँ पे दी एंड करोगे, बट यू विल बी कैरिंग माई एनर्जीज विथ यू लाइफ टाइम. और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप मेरा चेहरा देखोगे कोई पोस्ट में भी, या मेरे कोई पोस्टर देखोगे, यू विल बी कनेक्टिंग टू दिस सेशन एंड टू माय एनर्जीज. और इस समय आपने मेरे पे जो भी लेबल चिपकाया होगा, वही लेबल के साथ आप वापस मुझे देखोगे, वही चश्मे से मुझे देखोगे. डू यू अग्री? और वही चश्मे से आप लोग मुझे देखोगे. जिसको लग रहा होगा कि वाव क्या पावर हाउस है श्रेया, और वाव क्या एनर्जीज है, तो आप सेकेंड टाइम भी वही चश्मे से मुझे देखोगे. और अगर किसी को लग रहा है कि ये बहुत मुंहफट है और क्या समझती है अपने आप को, तो आप सेकेंड टाइम भी वही चश्मे से मुझे देखोगे. सो what are you experiencing in this moment is making your life, is creating your future. So we are not living this life, we are living by our memories and our experiences. And then when we are focused completely on our experiences, and there are certain good experiences, happy experiences, which we really celebrate, beautiful. There are certain experiences where we got setbacks and we have learnt our lessons, where we have burnt our fingers, but we have learnt our lessons. And those are the experience where we have changed our consciousness, is creating a new future. So when an author is writing a book, it's not just merely words, और इट्स नॉट जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट किसी और का मैटर उठा के यहाँ पे लिख दो, टाइटल और बुक यहाँ पे डाल दो, एक कवर अलग बना दो. दिस every book is having the consciousness of the author. We are carrying the energies of author, because author ने हर एक चीज यहाँ पर फील की है और एक अपने एक्सपीरियंस को अनुभव करके यहाँ पे लिखी है कि ये बुक, और वो इंटेंशन से लिखी है कि ये बुक जिसके भी हाथ में जाए उसका भला हो और उसकी जिंदगी में बदलाव आए, उसको शिफ्ट हो, उसकी कॉन्शियसनेस में बदलाव आए. So with that intention, with that heart full of love, this book or any book is written, whether it is fictional book or whether it is a self-help book, it can be any book, but it is written with that intention. So when we are buying a book, we are respecting the author and his energies. And then we tell ourselves that we deserve to buy this book for ourselves. बिकॉज यहाँ पर भी हमें लगता है कि क्या किताबों का जंगल बनाओगी, कितनी किताबें, ऑलरेडी 100-200 किताबें कोई पढ़ी नहीं है ठीक से, क्या किताब पे किताब इकट्ठे किए जा रहे हो. But here we are breaking that. When you are joining book study, definitely we are reading the book from page 1 to page last page. So we are reading the book together. So we have the group consciousness together. So this togetherness will create a bond. People who have already part of my earlier book study, they are very much aware about it. That we create a bond, we create a family when we are reading the book. So it is the group of people reading the book together and studying together and learning from each other. So that's how we will finish the book. If you are not, maybe by the way, मैं भी आपके जैसी थी, मैं कभी मुझे बुक पढ़ना कभी नहीं पसंद आता था. मुझे बचपन में बहुत याद था कि घर में किताबें ला के रखिए, अच्छी अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बुक भी हो सकती है, साइंस बुक्स भी, नॉलेज बुक भी हो सकती है. और मेरे पास अगर ऑप्शन होता था तो मैं वो बुक को हाथ तक नहीं लगाती थी. मेरा ऑप्शन रहता था खेलने जाओ, और मैं खेलती थी. मैं कभी घर में नहीं बैठती थी और मैं खेलती थी. सो सेम वे मुझे कभी किताबें पढ़ने में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं थी, और मैंने कभी आज तक, और किताबें मैंने हाथ में ली और पढ़ना शुरू किया, मैंने एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ा नहीं कि मुझे नींद आ जाती थी. एंड दैट वाज मी. और इवन अभी भी शायद वो हो सकता है, अभी भी मैं पढ़ूं अकेले और मुझे नींद आ जाए, भले वो कितनी भी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक हो. बट एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन वी आर रीडिंग टुगेदर इन द ग्रुप, the whole group is holding that energy, that space, and we read the book. So that's why it is very important to respect the author, and if we are really wish to learn from the book, that जो इस author ने जिस intention से लिखा है, उसके हर एक word में से हम energy absorb कर सके और अपने अंदर डाल सके और हमारी consciousness के अंदर बदलाव डाल सके, then definitely we are worthy of it, worthy of spending on that money. And it's not an expenditure, but it's an investment you are making yourself, because you are going to change the experiences of your life after this book, or during the book reading. There are many people here who had been there in the book study club. Would you like to share, Aditi? Aditi is one of them, Kosha is one of them, Cecilia is one of them. Yeah, Aditi, would you like to share what was your experience while reading the book and going through the journey of 2 months, 3 months? Aditi, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, we just finished Life Loves You by Louise Hay, and it was a beautiful journey. I got a lot of answers from the book to for my life. My life actually changed as we progressed during the book, because there were so many exercises we did together, so many meditations we did together, and every time we would go deeper and deeper with every exercise, with every meditation. So as you said, ki we have to feel it, not like think about it, but we are feeling it in the body. So there was a chapter on forgiveness in that book, and I was not able to do it. So my body was reacting. I was sleeping during the session, as you said, कि like book पढ़ के नींद आती है. But ultimately, because you were continuing it and we were doing it together, I could come back to it. So even when I was sleeping during the session, 1 or 2 or 3 sessions, I could again come back to it. And those things released what which needed to be released. And maybe not consciously, but subconsciously, I forgave whatever needed to come up. And I could progress through the book.
Beautiful.
And I felt really like wonderful at the end of it. So it was a very beautiful experience
Thank
for
you.
me.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much, Aditi, for sharing that. Yeah. What about Kosha? Do you want to share, or Cecilia wants to share? Cecilia, unmute yourself. There is a beautiful smile like a child on your face.
No, I do enjoy the book, Love Lights You, because it opened my mind to a different, what do you call it, a different insight into what's the meaning of life loves you. And so as the book went, I was getting more and more curious what the author is trying to say, and what is it trying to bring the come to where are we leading. And I found that we are getting deeper and deeper insights, and getting inspired to take life as something that loves you. You don't have to fear life, that and you don't have to put so many rules and regulations and so many things to
Yeah.
your life. It's like just you leave yourself, and you know that life loves you, so you believe in that fact. That belief opens the way, and you go ahead.
So beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Cecilia, sharing it. That believe that life loves you, and just, where we are limiting ourselves, and where we are fearful about our own life and own self, and then just dropping it and just having that trust that life loves you. And that opened up so much for you in your life. So thank you so much. And that even you could attract the retreat for women. So during that journey of life loves you, and and the book has really showed you that how your life is really loving you. So thank you very much, Cecilia. Thank you for sharing that. And yeah, Kosha, you want to share it in 2 or 3 sentences? Then we will move ahead.
Yeah, I would love to share something regarding what you just shared right now, regarding that book. That yeah, even I was thinking that I am not a book person, and yeah, the same thing. घर पे book कहाँ रखनी है, pile up करके, and all that was going on before joining it. And last week, that's what I attracted when I was singing all of this. Actually, I attracted. Then I ordered the book. I ordered 2 books, one for Shruth, my son, and one for me, Miracle book, because Happy Money I already have. So what happened? I received my son's book in fully wet condition. Fully wet condition. And then books are like not returnable. और वो replace होके जो next book आई वो भी ऐसी ही आई, fully wet, even worse in condition. So then I said, yes, what is happening? What I was telling to this, what I was thinking is reflecting here. So then I called up that Amazon people that I have ordered one more book. It's called Miracle, like this thing. And I would request you on behalf of all your customers, if possible, please pack the book in the plastic cover or bubble wrap and please send it. It would be really blessing for each and every customer as well as for your business. So मैंने इतना ही बोला and मैंने gratitude किया and then I did the forgiveness for thinking that way and with so much love, which like miracle book was supposed to come to me on coming Saturday, which came to me today just an hour before. And then I was like, oh, thank you. It's just here. What you think you create immediately.
Yeah, and that's so nice of you that you took the action and you talked with them and you walked an extra mile, and definitely this feedback will definitely help all other customers also, and not out of anger and frustration, but you did it out of love for everyone, love for you and love for others.
Yeah, actually, you know that and after the call was over, I got another call from Amazon जो कभी होता नहीं है. अभी तक कभी मैंने तो नहीं देखा. They called me to thank me to going out of the way and making this request and feedback that I got this book and the way I requested them to pack it in the plastic bag, it will benefit everyone. So it was like,
Yeah,
it's like very miracle only. It's just like a miracle, the book's name.
right. Yeah, so thank you very much. So these are all the learnings, because when we begin loving life, and then everything starts turning up in our favor, and even if it is not turning up or in our favor, at least our approach is changed, our lens is changed towards it. So let us now read Happy Money, that the Japanese art of making peace with your money. Ken Honda, Japan's best-selling Zen millionaire. So let's see that what praise for Happy Money. Ken's book will transform your life around money. Jack Canfield. Happy Money is the fast track to finding ways to experience happiness and abundance together. Marquis Shimoff. Ken Honda's wisdom, intellect, success, and achievement combined with his spirituality, love, and compassion make him the perfect person to bring forth his conversation about healing and happiness. Lisa Nicholas. Happy Money isn't just around normal self-help book about money. It transforms everything you think about money and therefore your life. Wow. So it's not only about money, it's going to transform your life. Thank you. A perfect, concise explanation of how to change your relationship with money from struggle and friction to easy flow. So we all want easy flow, isn't it? And how does it get better than this? That we repeat that all of life comes to me with ease, joy, fun, and glory. All of life, repeat after me. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, fun, and glory. Ease, joy, fun, and glory. So अब तक हमने बहुत वो सुना है, hard work, and do the hard work, and then you will get the money. And now we are going to do the smart work, and receive the money. Now what is smart work? Smart work is more smartness के class में जाना है? नहीं. We have to change our energies around money, our relationship with money, and automatically our life, our energies are going to attract money with ease, completely in ease. So let's read that all the people in my life who have shared their experiences with me, who showed me the beautiful things that money can achieve, as well as the ugly ways that it can affect us. This book is for you. So now we are reading preface, Is Your Money Smiling? A few years ago, I had a unique experience that became the inspiration for the concept and title of this book. A woman whom I had just met at a party asked if she could take a look at my wallet. कोई पूछता है ऐसा, मुझे आपका वॉलेट देखना है. पार्टी में कोई आपको मिला है और आपको पूछ रहा है कि मुझे आपका वॉलेट देखना है. As shocking as this question might be to some, it isn't particularly uncommon in Japanese culture to ask to see the contents of someone's wallet. Oh, is it? And since there were many other people in the room, I wasn't afraid she would run away with my identity or my own money. So, with little hesitation, I handed her my leather wallet. I was a little startled, however, when she immediately went for the cash and began taking out all the large bills. This one's okay, this one's good, this one's good too. She said quietly to herself as she assessed each bill. For a moment, I thought she was searching for something in particular. Perhaps there are special symbols or marking on the bills, but I soon realized. But I soon realized that she wasn't looking for anything of the sort. Then she talked to me again and began sorting the bills in a way I had never seen before. Good job. All of your money looks good, she said as she put the newly organized money back into the wallet and handed it back to me. That's great news, I said, confused yet somewhat relieved to have passed her best. But if you don't mind me asking, what were you looking for? सो कैन हुंडा ने कहा कि भाई तुम क्या कितना मेरे पहले बिल्स निकाले, इतने सारे बिल्स देखे, पैसे देखे, एंड देन नीटली शी केप्ट इट बैक अगेन एंड बोल रहे हैं कि थैंक यू, गुड जॉब, इट्स अ हैप्पी मनी, हैप्पी बिल्स. सो उन्होंने कहा कि क्या तुम देख रही थी इसमें? Oh, I was checking to see whether or not your money was smiling. She went on to explain that money can laugh or cry depending on how it was given or received. How it is given or received. If it is given out of guilt, anger, or sadness, the money will be crying. And in the contrast, if the money given out of love, gratitude, happiness, the money will be smiling, even laughing, because it will be imbued with the positive energy from the giver. Money has the ability to smile or cry? I asked. Money changes when it is given with a certain energy or feeling. What? कितने लोगों ने ये सुना है? और कितने लोगों ने हमने अंदर झांक के इस चीज को देखा कि हर वक्त जब मैं मनी ट्रांजैक्शन कर रही हूं, कितने लोगों ने इसको चेक किया है कि देते वक्त मैं खुशी से पैसे दे रही हूं, मैं आशीर्वाद देते हुए पैसे दे रही हूं, मैं पैसे जिस देना है तो दे दिया, ठीक है इतने बिल आए ले लो, ऐसे दे रही हूं. और कितने लोगों ने अंदर से गुस्से से पैसे दिए हैं, कितने लोगों ने गिल्टी फील करके पैसे दिए कि अरे यार मुझे नहीं करवाना चाहिए था ये सारी ब्यूटी ट्रीटमेंट, क्यों मैंने करवाई और इतना खर्चा किया, गिल्ट फीलिंग से या रिग्रेट फीलिंग से पैसे दिए हैं. कितने लोगों ने इरिटेट होके पैसे दिए हैं कि जा अभी तू इतना मांग रहा है, तू दे ही दे, चलो 50 बोला ना, ले चल 50 ले, तू तो सुनने वाला नहीं है, चल तू तेरी ही सही, और ऐसे करके पैसे दिए हैं. किस भाव से हम पैसों का ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं? एंड सेम वे you are going to receive money with the same energies, because whatever you give out you get back in multiples. So उसका मतलब है कि जितना मैं मनी ट्रांजैक्शन कर रही हूं और मेरे हर एक मनी ट्रांजैक्शन में अगर ये भाव है गुस्से के, इरिटेशन के, विक्टिमहुड के कि मुझे जख मार के पैसा देना ही पड़ेगा, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है मेरे पास, तो विक्टिमहुड के, इरिटेशन के, मुझे मेरे पैसों का पूरा पूरा हिसाब चाहिए, मेरा पैसों का पूरा पूरा हिसाब चाहिए, मुझे हिसाब दो और पाई पाई मैं चूस के लूंगी. किस तरह से आपका मनी ट्रांजैक्शन चल रहा है? और जो एनर्जी से आप ये मनी को दे रहे हो, वही एनर्जी से पैसा आपके पास आने वाला है. इट इज लाइक आपने करेला का सीड बोया है तो उसमें से मैंगोज का अपेक्षा नहीं रख सकते हो. तो उसी तरह से आप जो एनर्जीज, जहां पे मैं आपको कह रही थी कि व्हाट इज योर रिलेशनशिप विथ मनी, और अगर वह रिलेशनशिप में आनंद है, खुशी है, देने की भी और रिसीव करने की भी, जॉय है, सेलिब्रेशन है, ब्लेसिंग्स है, then there is a beautiful symphony with you and money. बट जहां पर हमारा पैसों के साथ खिचखिचाहट है, वहां पे हमारी मनी के साथ का रिश्ता अच्छा नहीं है. We need to focus now. It needs a high alarm. Yeah. Lupa, I can see your library. The showcase is so beautiful and there is something, I think books must be booked there. can you just change your angle of the camera where I can see you more and not your bed and not your curtains and not your showcase and not your vase on the table and not your wall and there is something on the wall. But I want to see Lopa. And Lopa is more important, and still I can't see Lopa. I want 60%, 70% of your screen with Lopa and not with curtains, brown and cream and showcase and wardrobes. So please,
Okay.
please
Yeah.
that you are, I see you. I see you. Just be ready to be visible. How you present yourself is very, very important. Okay, so money has the ability to smile or cry. Money changes when it is given with a certain energy or feeling. What? Even though I was already financially well off at the time and thought I knew much about money, I was taken aback by these insights. You see, I had always been very fortunate with money. At the age of 20, I made a choice to be happy and wealthy by the age of 30. So I started my own consulting and accounting business, and during my 20s, I helped many people with their financial and business needs. In the process, I did all right. In fact, well enough that at the age of 29, when my wife and I had just welcomed a newborn baby girl into our lives, I had the freedom to decide to stay home and raise her. And those were some of the happiest days of my life. And it was the best decision I ever made. Not just because I was able to spend as much time with my daughter as possible, but also because it was her that I discovered my second career, helping millions of others lead happy, prosperous and peaceful lives. So वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरे पैसे तो हमेशा मैं खुश हूँ, मैं पैसों से, मेरा करियर बहुत सारा सक्सेसफुल रहा है. By the age of 20 से ही मेरी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ शुरू हो चुकी थी, एंड बाय द एज ऑफ 29 मैंने इतना पैसे कमा लिया था कि आई हैड अ चांस कि जहाँ पर मेरी बेटी का जन्म हुआ तो मैं करियर से ब्रेक ले सका एंड आई कुड गिव मेरा पूरा समय मेरी बेटी को दे सका. सो बेसिकली आई वाज वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड वेल्दी. सो बट वो बोल रहे हैं कि मैंने कभी मेरी लाइफ में ये नहीं सुना है कि माई मनी कैन स्माइल और माई मनी कैन क्राई. तो ये कौन सी नई बात हुई? So it all happened when I was at a park with my daughter on a gorgeous day. So यहाँ पर वो कह रहे हैं कि जब भी उन्होंने ब्रेक लिया, जब उनकी बेटी का जन्म हुआ और उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपने बेटी के साथ ज़्यादा समय और बेटी और बीवी के साथ ज़्यादा समय बिताना चाहेंगे, एंड उन्होंने पॉज लिया अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, वहाँ पर उनके साथ वैसी मोमेंट्स हुई कि जहाँ पे उनको लग रहा था कि कुछ अधूरापन है और भी कुछ करना है, मुझे लाइफ में करना है. एंड दैट्स हाउ ही गॉट इंस्पायर्ड टू राइट अ बुक और ऑथर बने वो. जबकि उन्होंने हाई स्कूल में ऐसे तक ही लिखा था, बस और कुछ कभी नहीं लिखा था. बट when he was not having that special skill, but उन्होंने एक बात बोली कि I always like to challenge myself. I always like to challenge myself. तो वह कंसेप्ट से उन्होंने बुक लिखना शुरू किया कि जब मेरे अंदर इतना स्ट्रांगली आ रहा है कि बुक लिखो, so let me just begin with it. And that's how his journey as an author began. It all happened when I was at a park with my daughter on gorgeous day. We were happily playing, and when I saw a mother and her young daughter, who was about the same age as my own daughter, fighting. The mother was distressed in a hurry and she yelled, "Your mom has to go to work, so let's go home." But the little one kept saying to her mother, "We just got here. I want to play more. Please." After a few minutes of battle, the reluctant little girl was dragged by her mother back home. I felt so terrible for the girl and her mother. I knew that if that mother had a choice, she would have wanted to stay in the park too. After all, it was a beautiful and sunny day. What parent wouldn't want to be outside playing with their child? At that moment, I decided I needed to do something. I wanted to help not just this mother, but all parents and people struggling to make ends meet. I wanted to take away her pain, stress, and frustration. So that very afternoon, after my own daughter was tired of playing, I decided I would write a short essay that would impart the wisdom I had gained over the years about making money and becoming prosperous. See, अभी थोड़ा समय पहले मैं कह रही थी, life is all about experiences. And experiences are making our life. We are creating our life because of experiences. Imagine अगर उनको वो पार्क में यह एक्सपीरियंस नहीं आया होता कि जहां पर उन्होंने एक बेबस और लाचार मदर को देखा कि वो भी चाहेगी डेफिनेटली कि मैं मेरी बच्ची के साथ और खेलूं, बट उसको काम पे जाना था एंड शी हैड टू ड्रैग हर चाइल्ड, खींच के गार्डन से बाहर निकालना पड़ा. तो उनको दिल में हर्ट हुआ, उनको दिल में पेन हुआ कि काश हमारे पास इतनी फाइनेंशियल बेबसता नहीं होती कि हमें ऐसा करना पड़ता. कितने लोग यहाँ पर है अभी, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस आई थिंक फीमेल्स, आई डोंट सी एनी मेल मे बी. सो कितने लोग यहाँ पर है जो हम सिर्फ पैसों के लिए अपने करियर को ड्रैग कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमें पैसा चाहिए और हमें सचमुच ये प्रोफेशन में अभी रहना नहीं है, कंटिन्यू नहीं करना है, आगे नहीं बढ़ना है, या ये मेरा प्रोफेशन ही नहीं है और फिर भी मैं गाड़ी खींचे जा रही हूं. कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है? कितने लोग यहाँ पर वो प्रोफेशन में दे आर थ्राइविंग, they are saying wow, 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 I'm so happy, every day is so important to me and I'm thriving in my profession and I feel so happy that I can contribute to the society to the best. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो इस तरह से सोच रहे हैं और बहुत ज्यादा लोग हैं. 95% of the people are living that life where they are just dragging in their life, professional life, because they have to really just earn money and that's why they are doing it. और अगर पैसा, if money is not the question, they may not be having this career at all or this professional life at all. But because it is the money, they are dragging it. Are you the one, or how many of you feel that? How many of you resonate with this when we are talking this? Good. I will sense that either you are not living professional life, or if you are living a professional life right now, then you all are thriving, and congratulations that you all are thriving in your professions. Beautiful. Yeah. So here he is talking about that जितना stress और frustration से हम professional life जी रहे हैं और गाड़ी खींच रहे हैं, we need not do that. So यहाँ पर यह book में वो सारे राज बताए गए हैं कि जहां पर हमें क्या है, हैप्पी मनी, we can be very happy while earning money and we are going to have that. When I first began, I thought I could write only 5 pages, but when I was finished for the day, I was amazed to see that I had written 26 pages in one sitting. Wow! I got so excited that I printed the essay out, stapled the pages together and immediately started giving them away to friends. To my surprise, they loved it. Soon strangers began to call me and say they had heard about it and wanted copies of their own. So every day for several days I printed copies, stapled from them together and sent them to whoever wanted one. However, I quickly tired of stapling booklets together each day. After complaining to a friend about the process, he suggested a local printer. The salesperson on the phone talked me into ordering a 3,000 print run to cut down on cost, and without thinking, I said, okay. जहां पर उसने कहा कि मैंने हाई स्कूल ऐसे के सिवा कुछ नहीं लिखा है, आई नेवर बिकम एन ऑथर, बट जहाँ पे उसने एट अ स्ट्रेच में इन वन गो में 26 पेजेस लिख दिए, उसकी जेरोक्स करके वो जब सब लोगों को बांटने लगे तो उसको बहुत ही ज्यादा डिमांड में होने लगी. ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड लोगों ने उनके पास से कॉपीज मांगी और खुद छाप के स्टेपल कर से इतने थक गए कि उन्होंने प्रिंट करवाना शुरू कर दिया and एक साथ 3000 कॉपी उन्होंने प्रिंट करवा दी. Before I knew it, 2 trucks came to my home to drop off that looked like a warehouse full of boxes. You can imagine my wife's face when she saw the pallets of books, which filled an entire room in her house. Being the nice person she is, she forgave me, sort of. She would let it slide this one with one caveat. I had a month to get rid of all the boxes. So what did I do? I started handing the booklets out to everyone I knew and people I didn't. But when they were all gone, I continued to get requests and orders. हमें orders मिलने शुरू हो गए कि हमें और चाहिए. यह प्रिंट की किताबें चाहिए, यह किताब की प्रिंट चाहिए. At first, I did not know if people were requesting them because the content was good or because it was free. बहुत क्वेश्चन आता है ना कि ये फ्री है इसीलिए लोग में आज जुड़े हैं और मांग रहे हैं कि उनको चाहिए, कि सचमुच they are valuing it and they want it. Nevertheless, I knew I was onto something, and when I reached 1 lakh copies given away, I definitely knew. 1 lakh कॉपी free of charge देना. He said that every month उन्होंने $1 lakh spend किया था, या बुक्स को छपवाने के लिए भी और छपवा के शिपिंग करवाने के लिए भी. Everything was free. और 1 लाख कॉपी उन्होंने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की. Wow. At that point, actually, publisher called me and asked me if I would be interested in writing an entire book. My first response, no way. I'm not a writer. But the publisher was insistent. You have all the time in the world. Why don't you give it a try? I couldn't argue with his point, and my daughter was on her way to kindergarten soon. So then what would I do with all my time? I guess I could write. And that's exactly what I did. Since that fateful day on the playground, I have published more than 50 books and sold amongst almost 8 million copies in Japan. Wow. जो खुद ऑथर है ही नहीं, उन्होंने 50 बुक्स लिखे. Wow. And received 8 million copies उन्होंने बेची भी. Not bad for a retired dad who had an idea on the playground with his daughter. What began as a stroke of insight and an urge to help out a struggling working mother turned into not only a career but my purpose in life. That purpose, I realized, was to help others find theirs and to become prosperous and free in the meantime. Needless to say, after writing 50 books, I thought I had this money thing pretty much figured out. But when my new friend and mysterious wallet woman handed me back my wallet, I got to thinking again, just as I had done all those years ago back on the playground. This time I started to think about money as energy. 50 बुक लिखने के बाद उनको लगा कि I'm done with money. I have all the knowledge about money. Imagine, see, look at, it's so funny, it's so, that life is always, we have to learn, keep learning. And life is always teaching it. Every experience is teaching us. Imagine, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि प्लेग्राउंड में वो एक्सपीरियंस ही ना होता तो वो ऑथर ही ना बनते, उनकी लाइफ को पर्पस ही ना मिलता, और वो पर बुक लिखने से उन्होंने कितने सारे लोगों को जीवन में हेल्प किया और उनको पर्पस मिला. And same way, now this lady who is talking about the wallet and telling him that money is energy, happy money or money is crying, smiling money or money is crying, and that changes. And now he wants to write another book on this. Holding the wallet my new friend had just returned to me, I thought, what a relief. All the money I have earned over the years and received came from happy people. Grateful and joyful people. It is very, very important. Very important that how is your money coming? The main sources of money. How is it coming? Is it coming in the source of blessing? और इज इट जस्ट लोग कह रहे हैं कि जब इसको देने ही है, बिल्स पे करने ही है, तो ठीक है, इसके लिए पैसे दे दो. Very important checkpoint, how you are receiving money. What is the source of my money? Meaning, is it the source of your money is happiness, joy? People who are happy are giving you money? How is it? I then thought briefly about how I had earned my money. Yes, I had indeed received all my money through service. I had helped others become successful, wealthy, and empowered. I had helped others gain a sense of peace, joy, and gratitude. I thought how the people who paid me felt when they read my books or attended my seminars and workshops. Throughout the world, I have given seminars to thousands of people at a time. Then I thought about my books and how many people have changed their own lives because of them. They changed jobs, got married, had babies, and left unhappy or toxic relationships. I have heard from many who have started their own businesses. Some even have grown their businesses from nothing to publicity traded companies. I have also heard from others who did not become fabulously wealthy but also felt rich and were very happy no matter what their bank statement reported. No longer affected by money related stress, they were free to take out a new lesson on life. Although I am often called a money guru or money healer, my real job over the past decade, I realized while standing here and looking at my wallet, had been to help others and find the tools they already possessed within themselves to heal their own lives and relationships with money. When it occurred to me that, yes, all the people who had given me their money had infused it with these feelings of gratitude and joy and so much happy money. All this smiling money in my wallet was there because of others. Of course, money is energy. And then I began thinking about my own feelings and the energy I pass along to others when I use money. So, thank you very much for being here. It's already 1:30, 10:35. The question is, it's time to go within and check with ourselves, is my money smiling or is my money crying? How did I give out money? How did I receive money? Am I receiving money through my services? And my services are contributing to this world in a big way and adding value? How is it? What is it happening? So with that question, let us end the session here. And whoever is joining the session and continuing this journey will be continuing on Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday we are going to read this book, Happy Money, and 9 to 10:30. I have already shared the amount. If you are really wishing to continue, please continue, and the amount will be shared and you can GPay me, and we will be meeting on Wednesdays. How long this book will take? Maybe 2 months or more, but in these 2 months we will be talking a lot about our money consciousness, and it will be really eye-opening moments. We will experience eye-opening moments during that. We will change our relationship with money, और हम बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइजेस भी करेंगे थ्रू आउट द वीक जहाँ पे आपको होमवर्क मिलेगा वो मनी रिलेटेड. So whoever is ready for it, let me know and GPay, and we will be continuing on Wednesday. So thank you so much. God bless you, and I love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Because tomorrow we have Tuesday and Thursday, we are going to have another book, A Course in Miracle, very powerful, which is only talking about your emotional health, how your emotions governs your life, your relationship in every area. So if you are curious to know more about this book, then Tuesday and Thursday we are going to have this book reading. Tomorrow the first session will be the free session. You can join this free session also and you can explore it. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you. Thank you.